Hi guys, I hope you enjoy this video. It's granola, the best you ever tried, okay? So walnuts put in a blender. I am doing double portion, by the way, because I'm using things for other stuff. However, feel free to do a same as amount as I do anyway, a rough amount. I don't measure anything here. So I do it so it's not completely in powder, but just a bit, and I add coconut flour, about 4 tablespoons. You can use the coconut in pieces from a supermarket, probably better. I just got lots of coconut flour. And I add my spices. So I use nutmeg, cinnamon, clove, and a bit of vanilla. All these spices have lots of benefits, so I always try to spice it up whatever I do. Okay, it's delicious. I love it. I will post, well, I think I've posted already a carrot cake recipe, so have a look at that one. Now, vanilla at the end, and grind it, mix it as much as possible, okay? Not too long, just a little bit. And then I add dates. I soak them 2 hours before, so they're a little bit softer. And I've put about 8, something like, about 8, I think, because that's all I had. I didn't have a lot. So I added my prunes, and I love my prunes. So I didn't soak them. Normally I would soak them. So I've got a double mixture. I'm separating half a mixture for what I'm doing for granola, but you could do a bigger amount in one go, no problem. Okay, so porridge, oats, again organic. I add some grated carrots, and I put half a portion of the mixture we've done earlier. Okay, just mix it nicely, and then I have to do a sauce to mix it nicely all together. So yeah, I put quite a bit bananas. I squeeze some lemon in there. Lemon always gives a good flavor as much as possible. Blend it. Sometimes it's hard to blend because not much water, so you can add a tiny bit of water, it's no problem. Or tea if you've got. I think I probably added there. And I mix all that together. It gets nice and soft and pliable. So that's the best way to do it. Looks like that. And then put in my dehydrator, put it on my mat. Always remember, put it on the mat, and spread it out thinly, maybe not too thin, but the thinner it goes, the quicker it gets done in dehydrator. So I think from the amount I had 2 big batches. So I put it away, and I think I'll show you here. I did another one, nice and soft, and I put it on 114 Fahrenheit, which is 45 Celsius. I put it 8 hours, then I follow a bit more. I think altogether it took me 15 hours. So when it's dry from one side, I flip it, as you can see it here, throughout, and I put it for some more. So I think I put about 10 hours first, and then followed by 4 hours, like that. So that's how ready it is. Look at that. It's it's breaking up. You can break it in pieces. Oh, it's just so good. I can't even tell you. I add banana. That's the way I like it. That's the way how I do it. And I did my own milk, almond milk. It's really creamy, so I will share the recipe, and I put a link below. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? And I tell you something, you've never tried granola like that before. I hope you enjoyed it.